Hello friends, greetings of the day. I am Dr. Girish, faculty advisor of the Team Rudra and a member of Society of Automotive Engineers India. Today we are excited to present a 4-stroke single-cylinder 150cc go-kart vehicle. We are excited to take part it on the racing kart and to thrill the racing kart at Coimbatore. Here there is my team, Manikanta, the captain of the Team Rudra, the Ganesha Reddy, driver of the Team Rudra, Pranavashri, the media cell coordinator of the Team Rudra, and here Mr. Harish, the design engineer. So I would like to call upon all these members to explain the working and the design of the go-kart.
I am Manikanta, captain of Team Rudra. We are proud to introduce about our team. Team Rudra was established on December 2022. Till now we have participated in many national level events like IKR and Aditya Pro Karting event and SRKR Endurance Championship. For this, Vignan management has helped us. College has provided us financial support. This go-kart represents hard work and dedication and knowledge. This helps us for the future success, and thank you for the college for showing a smooth way for the motorsporting field in the future purpose.
Hello everyone, I am KV Harish and I am the fabrication lead of Team Rudra. I would like to explain our complete kart fabrication in a simple way. First, the chassis. The chassis is the main frame in which all the parts are mounted together and molded together. The material we use for our chassis material is AISI 4130 material. This material is aligned with a proper TIG welding. Now coming to the engine. Engine is the second most important part which produces power. The engine is mounted on the chassis with the help of strong engine mounts. Now coming to the transmission system. In transmission system, it includes clutch, gear rod, chain and sprockets, which transmits power. Coming to the steering system. In steering system, it includes steering wheel, steering rods and other linkage which is connected to the front wheels. The steering system is used to turn the go-kart left or right. Now coming to the braking system. Braking system is the very most important system. In our braking system, we are using hydraulic brakes. We are using hydraulic brakes because it have high performance. Thus, I conclude by saying that our kart is student-friendly fabricated with low cost and safety. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ganesha Reddy, driver of Rudra. Driving is not about a speed, it's about a focus, control and team spirit. I am really connected to this machine and proud to be a part of the team.
I'm T. Pranavashri. I'm the promotion head and the documentation head of the Team Rudra. Coming to journey of the Team Rudra is not a team for us, it is the passion and learning experience. From the foundation on December 2022 to where we stand today, every season has shaped us into a stronger engineers and racers. Our journey has started from ISIE IKR Season 8, which is held at the Buddha International Circuit on October 2023, and we have won a Future Award. And we have also participated in ISIE IKR Season 9, which is also held at the Buddha International Circuit on October 2024. We have won Future Award and People Choice Award, and we also achieved a best lap timing of 1.3 minutes at the national level event. And we also participated in SRKR Go-Karting Championship, and we have won Best Designing Award, Runner-Up Acceleration Test, Runner-Up Business Plan, and we also achieved Dronacharya Award in Aditya Pro Karting Endurance Championship. Thank you Vignan management for supporting us financially and emotionally, and our mechanical department faculty for encouraging us. This is just the start.
We are working towards bigger projects.
And even
Greater possibilities.
Thank you, Vignan.